So guys, this is the next day, vlog number 2, another day, another vlog, and we are at night. Another day, another water. Look at this thing, it's tiny. So now we're at Starbucks again because, you know, when you get Starbucks every single day because Starbucks is life. So we are there to have feast. How's your bike going?
Good.
Now we're walking back to Hotelli.
Yeah, yeah.
I made it safely to a hotel, so yeet. And the Uber had Wi-Fi, so
I know. Psych.
Chris, do it.
No, it tastes so disgusting. It
So
actually.
that's the little one.
That's the wrong number.
It just she's gonna put my channel in the description. Go check it out. I did a whole video of me doing what hot sauce.
I have to do more work now.
I know.
Second, I'm gonna
Look at this view.
But don't look at me.
No.
Yeah, it's just.
Definitely don't look at
Look
me.
at
right
this
now.
view.
Don't
Yeah, look at this view of my nipple.
Don't look at me.
Look
There's
at
another
this.
view. Okay guys, so we are going to be going on the boardwalk soon, and we are going to take a video of us getting cats and feeding them. They're gonna love it, and we're gonna get fleas.
Woo! So guys, we're going to do a room tour. So this is the thing where you walk in. There's like, hey look. This is the hallway. And this is the thing with like 2 rooms. So you walk in, there's that room, and then there's bars. And they're not letting me in! So you walk in and you see this ugly monster.
Ah!
And then you have our bathroom where you
We have a gorgeous bathroom! So this is my favorite chair! Out of my way!
So this is a chair, this is closets and stuff, and then we have a TV and 3 cots because they took our couch, so they gave us 3 cots.
And then all you see is this.
And then we have that, and then we have this ugly monster, and then we have our little kitchen thing.
Oh yeah,
And then we have this beautiful view. Okay, so we walk in here. We have our washer and dryer here, so yeet. And then we have our parents' room, yeet. We have closets, and then we have this bathroom, yeet.
Going to be making some coffee. So we're gonna need, let's see, medium roast coffee. Which one should we have? Let's just have this one. So what we have to do is open. I just had some tea, sorry. So what we want to do is put this in here. Close it. Pop the hole in that thing. Put stuff in here. Oh, I couldn't see the level. There we go. Brew. And that is gonna take 3 minutes to brew.
Zach's drinking wine. Zach, look. I'm gonna show you your wine. You look at these 2 ugly monsters, and then we look at that.
What?
How lit!
Fine.
This is so
This is hot
humorous.
though. This is so cold.
No pun intended.
This is so cold.
It's freezing.
Isn't it so cool?
It's freezing. Topher made coffee. Lit. I'm gonna search for
Right now
kittens
we are looking for
to feed
kitties.
them. Go then.
I see now. Yep.
Did you find anything?
All the way through, no cats.
So guys, we couldn't find any cats, and then we put a cat food down like towards the edge of like the boardwalk where our board was sticking out. But then we decided that was not very accessible for them, so we now put it in another spot so they can just like walk out and eat it. And
So
we're
they don't
gonna
have to
try.
be bothered by people.
Yeah, and we're gonna try to find them tomorrow because we still have like 4 cans left. So yeah. So we just got done at the pool, and obviously I didn't go in because I'm not wet, because I didn't want to go in, but look at this view. How rich.
No, it's because too many people leave.
Let's get this up.
Food. Pet it, guide you. You don't pet it. Grab it, put your face, and let it. I think it liked the movement of the head. You need to mash it up. So next time, tomorrow, I'll bring some mash up with you.
Really nice.
You need to mash it up.
We need to do it with our hands.
What? It's okay. You can actually eat it now. Here we go, it's eating a little bit. Yay! He'll find a way to eat it if he's really hungry. Yeah, he ate it. Zach, he's still looking at you. Look at his fork here. Probably like, why are they so close?
You want to be in
Yeah, why are we so
too?
close?
That's fine, but you know what? You did help me move.
Poor kitty. We moved it to a closer spot to where he goes.
If you're wondering why
And more
we're
people.
saying
Kitty's full. Right there. Bye. So we are now walking back to the hotel after feeding this
Kind
kitty.
of sad it didn't.
So we just got a shower and look at the sunset. Miami. We're having some trouble finding our Uber. Dinner. Now we're in the Uber. Back to hotel. Done for the night.
Yeah.
That's it. We just sat on our beds with chairs.
Yeah, we did. It was awesome.
It was so funny, I couldn't breathe. Now we're going to bed, so see you in the next vlog.